bury him. I ain't touching that piece of shit.
You are nothing. You do nothing, you mean nothing, you stand for nothing. Me, I run a city. $1,000 to the man who kills him and sets me free.
What are you gonna say now?
They are even bigger fools than you.
No doubt.
So filth has got to be disposed of! Your friends, the Pinkertons, gonna come and rescue you! You repulsive little maggot! Jesus. Part of your philosophy books cover feeding a fella to a goddamn alligator, Dutch.
We ain't got all day. Oh, Arthur, we do not need to be drawing attention to ourselves. This is it, gentlemen. The last one. Take it from the people who take it from us. This isn't some hick-town $100 operation. This is a big city.
What are you doing?
Folk like this, they stole what this country could have been. I love that, Jose. He's a true... Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, this is a hold-up. Don't do nothing stupid. Who do you have? Seeing your bank manager here open up the vault. Open the vault! Come on! Well, would you look at that?
Ow! It's over!
Shit. Abigail.
Dutch! Get out here! Get out here now!
Someone must have squealed.
Never should have gone after Bronte, Dutch.
Mr. Milton, let my friends go. Or folks, they are gonna get shot unnecessarily.
Your friend? Why would I do that?
Come on, Milton.
It's over. No more bargains, no more deals.
Mr. Milton, this is America. You can always cut a deal.
I've given you enough chances.
Come on!
No!
God damn it!
Arthur! We lost John.
Killed?
Arrested. I couldn't help.
Well, we better go. We'll be next.
What you think?
I reckon me and Lenny try and find a way across the roofs.
All of you, we gotta keep quiet and keep moving, or we're gonna be dead in the next few minutes. Come on. I don't believe it.
They knew we were coming.
I don't see why we have to check the train. They just robbed Lemoyne National Bank. It's not like they're gonna take the first line out of town.
See if you can draw them out.
Draw them out.
How? I don't know. Make a noise, whistle or something. What now? Wake up! Everybody! Wake up! Wake up! Come on, Arthur! 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 Wake
Where the hell are we?
We are on the island of Guam.
Is it anywhere near Australia or Tahiti?
It's on the way, I guess.
Of course, where there's money to be made, there's trouble.
What sort of trouble?
No, the usual sort.
They are gonna get him.
This is a hell of a welcome.
Are you okay, mister? Mister, you don't look so good.
You got tuberculosis. Really sorry for you, son. It's a hell of a thing.
What you mean?
You're real sick. It's a progressive disease, and you'll be... Now, the best thing is rest, and getting somewhere warm and dry and taking it easy. Now, is that possible?
Sure, I can just take my winters in my country club in California. No, it's not possible.
Well, like I said, I'm real sorry.
Wind, so keep her around this height. This particular vessel is state-of-the-art, sir. Imported from Europe. Won't find more than a couple of these on this side of the pond.
Wait, is that him? Yep, that's him.
Ah! My God!
What are you doing?
They're shooting at us!
I can see that. Shady! Grab the rope, come on!
Did you break your neck?
We've got
How many of you does it take, huh? Shit! There's even more than coming out of the woods!
There, mister.
Not me. Whatever.
Oh, I forgot to say, give me all your money.
Oh, you don't want to scrap with me.
Okay, come on up. Pelican! Got him and gonna kill him. Unless you bring me John Marston. Right now. You got 1 minute. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very funny. No, we must be at 11 by now.
11, 12, 13,
Faster.
14, 15, 16, 17.
Now hurry up! Well, this poor fool's gonna get his brains shot out. And over what? For nothing. Milliken, don't stop counting. I can't hear you.
Hurry up and bring that asshole out here, you bastards! Come on!
I know. Hey, John. Hello, you two. Now, no funny business. Or Mr. Milliken here will stop crying once and for all. Okay, today's your lucky day. Let's go! I think I liked you better when you was all trussed up like a prize chicken. Was you followed? No. Was you followed? I said no.
Okay.
What is your problem?
What is your problem, partner? You don't look so good.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me. I'm fit as a fiddle.
And I inside you. Come on, Arthur. This better not be no stupid revenge mission, Dutch. It ain't worth it.
Don't be ridiculous.
Oh, Arthur, it's just a simple social call.
Interesting social call.
Oh, don't play dumb and superior at the same time, Morgan.
More of them coming from the road on the left.
We got one! A white one!
Dad? I need help. You silly fool!
You're dead. That's it for you! Shit!
We got a lot of riders on our tail, Arthur!
I see him.
Watch the right!
Shoot him again!
Wait, there's more.
Morgan! The driver's dead! This thing ain't stopping! We got to get off!
Okay then, let's go!
Jesus. We're alive. Yeah, just about.
They came and took Abigail. I saved Jack. We hid, but they took Abigail.
Who did?
Agent Milton and his men.
Okay, Mr. Milton. Where are you? There you are, you bastard. Sadie. Move, Sadie, move. Yeah, I got you. That's it. Keep moving.
Strength, Mr. Morgan!
You're still a yapping dog, Mr. Milton.
Horrible man. Crazy. He's fine. Billy's fine. Thank God.
We need to find higher ground. Don't worry about them. They'll just be going back for the money. We need to get the hell out of here.
Drop that man.
Go. Now, I'll hold them off. It would mean a lot to me. Please.
You don't know how much I've longed to do this. It is over. Now, Arthur. It's over. Oh, Dutch. He's a riot. You know it, and I know it.
He's sick. He's dying. He's talking crazy.
There! Up there on the ridge!
I gave you all I had. I did. Come on, Dutch. Let's go, buddy. We made it. We won. Come on. John made it. He's the only one. The rest of us... No. But I tried. In the end, I did. Come on. Let's go. We can make it. Come on, Dutch! Come on! Ah!
Crash our world.